If you have been wondering how can you stop auto downloads on WhatsApp which can consume a lot of your internet or a lot of your mobile data, today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end and you'll learn exactly how. First, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the WhatsApp app updated to the latest version, as you can see here, for everything to work smoothly and for this tutorial to be as smooth as possible again. So let's go ahead and update the app, and then finally we can go ahead and open WhatsApp. Make sure you are logged into your account, of course, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner to get this little menu from there. From the little menu, tap on settings at the very bottom right here. Of course, this will take you to your settings. From settings, you need to tap on storage and data settings right here under notifications. Now from here you can use less data by tapping right here, so it's going to use less data for calls, for example. But we're here to turn off auto downloads for images and videos and all that. So let's go ahead and tap on when using mobile data, the first option right here, and we need to unselect every single one of these from photos, audios, videos and documents. Tap on OK. Just like that, no auto downloads will occur when you're on your mobile data. You can even do that from your Wi-Fi, so no mobile or no auto downloads will occur from your Wi-Fi. So go ahead and turn these off if that's what you want as well. Most people won't do that because Wi-Fi is alright, like it's okay, but you can just still choose to, which is pretty cool. You can even tap on when roaming and turn off all of these as well. Personally, I'd like to leave it on for Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and tap on OK to save the changes. And just like that, I have turned off and turned on as well auto downloads on WhatsApp. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Let me know what you think in the comments about this video. Leave your questions there and I'll try to answer every single one of them. And again, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.